Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to see pending send follow request on Instagram. Let's get started. First, go to your profile and tap the three lines in the top right corner, then select Account Center. Now look for your information and permissions, then tap Download Your Informations. Then choose Download or Transfer Information. And after that, select all available information, then tap Download to Device. For format, I recommend HTML, and for date range, choose All Time, then finally tap Create Files. Once it's ready, go to the available downloads and tap Download and enter your password and confirm to save the file. Now open your phone's Files app, unzip the downloaded folder and open it. Go to Connections, Followers, and Following, then pending follow request. Then here you'll see all the follow requests you've sent that are still pending. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.